And it's time now for the Wall Street Beat, from the hedge funds to the big banks. The big banks that are now making headlines are out of Europe. Deutsche Bank says they see strong momentum in investment banking, and Barclays say they need more money to go towards climate transition projects, and that will fuel some work for their investment bankers. Joining me now is Bloomberg's Katherine Doherty to discuss what is the play that Deutsche Bank is making here.
So Deutsche Bank is really relying on its investment bankers, its traders to grow their revenue, because what they're seeing a lot of the rapid rate increases weighing on the revenue from their core lending products. So their recent results are showing the strength in investment banking. It's reflective of what we saw from a lot of the U.S. banks in a return to capital markets for M&A picking up. So it's not only reflective of the strong momentum in the first quarter, which is really what they are talking about right now, but it's an indicator of the rest of the year. A lot of the executives, including Deutsche Bank's executives, the CFO speaking on TV, talked a lot about that expected momentum continuing into the next quarter and maybe even for the remainder of the year.
Deutsche Bank historically really big in the fixed income markets, leverage finance as well. What's interesting is fixed income trading actually not only came in better than expected, it came in better than the biggest U.S. investment banks in some cases.
Some of the biggest U.S. investment banks, yes. So that is exactly what they had called out as one of their strengths, which it has been historically, and we saw in the first quarter. And they're also calling out their strength from their income of advising on deals. So again, just another sign of pickup in deal activity and M&A.
How do we compare with what's happening from Deutsche Bank to what's happening over at Barclays after they reported?
So Barclays is really emphasizing what they see as an opportunity in middle market, these transition companies that are transitioning from fossil fuel to clean energy. What they're seeing is what they say as a need for the development of projects, and this fine line between being too advanced for VC investors and too nascent for these industrial investors. So it's really a fine line, but they don't see this as an issue. They see this as an opportunity. They've been hiring bankers to focus on this, to advise their clients, and hopefully they think that that will add to their fee income in future quarters.